In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install ExpertOption from Google Play Store. If you have been trying to install this app but you are unsuccessful, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get started first, we need to go ahead and open Google Play Store. And from Play Store, make sure first you log in with your Gmail account before you can download the app. However, if you had already logged in but you are unable, then go ahead and just click on this profile icon here for your account and scroll down to settings. Now under this, go to network preferences and then look for app download preference. Under this, you can see we have various options. Make sure you choose the first option over any network and then OK. Now this will ensure that you are able to download your app via any network you are connected to. Now, in most cases, this should work. However, if you still experience any problem, then you need to go back to Play Store app and find out if we have an issue with this Play Store. To troubleshoot Play Store, you'll need to go ahead and access its app info page. So to do that, just long press on your Play Store app and head to app info. If you can't see app info, you should see a settings gear or the name of the app. Tap on it to access Play Store app information page. From this, we need to clear data, and if I go to storage, you can see we have data stored by Play Store. One of the issues might be with this cache data, and when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Google Play Store normally collects to enhance your user experience. However, this might cause an issue in the long run. To fix this, tap on clear data and then choose clear cache, and finally OK. Restart your smartphone and then head over to Play Store and then now search for your app. So I'll search for ExpertOption and then tap on it. And here I'll go ahead and try to install it to see if everything is okay. As you can see now, I'm able to install ExpertOption mobile app on my smartphone. So that's how you can fix can't install ExpertOption mobile trading app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.